Here's a smoothie pina colada. One of it has our trilogy, which is the flax seeds, chai seeds, and hemp hearts, with the macadamia nuts and chocolate, almonds, and coconut shavings, as well as coconut flakes and pineapple tidbits. And the other one just has pineapple tidbits with our pina colada smoothie, which was made of pineapple, frozen pineapple, coconut Greek yogurt, a little coconut water, a little pineapple juice, and it has also your chocolate, almonds, macadamia nuts, and coconut flakes. Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making a pina colada smoothie. Now, since we can't have the pina colada drink, with our alcohol, we're gonna have a nice, great substitute, healthy substitute. So we're gonna use our frozen pineapples, some pineapple juice, some coconut milk, some coconut flakes, a little vanilla always makes everything super nice, and our new best friend, called the trilogy, which happens to have the hemp hearts, the flaxseed, and chai seeds. I say chai, you may say chia. So I say tomatoes, you may say tomatoes, whatever the preference is, but this is gold here. So we're gonna have that inside, and we're gonna have some almonds and some shaved coconut, some chocolate, and some macadamia nuts as well to dress it up with. All right, so let's get into our vitamin content. Our pineapples has vitamin B6, C, copper, folate, manganese, and potassium, and thiamine. Our coconut water has vitamins B1, B2, B3, C, pantothenic acid, folic acid, biotin, potassium, and sodium. Our vanilla extract has vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6. Our coconut milk has vitamin C, folate, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Our coconut Greek yogurt has vitamins B12, calcium, and psyllium. Now our trilogy mix, our chai seeds have calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, omega-3 fatty acid, phosphorus, and psyllium. Our hemp hearts has vitamins E, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. And our flax seeds has vitamins B6, copper, magnesium, manganese, omega-3 fatty acids, and phosphorus, and it's a great source of fiber. And our coconut flakes has vitamins B and iron. Macadamia nuts has vitamins A, iron, thiamine, riboflavin, and folate. It's high in your healthy fat. It's a great source of protein and really high in fiber. Almonds has vitamins E, calcium, fiber, magnesium, and riboflavin, and it's unsaturated fat. Real facts. The supply chain issues are affecting prices on food. The halt of supply chains has caused price of meat, such as ham, turkey, and roast beef, to increase. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. And we can say myself, I'm so excited. I am a first-time author. I have my new book out called A Twist on Boring Salads. A salad a day, 30 days a month. Look at this. All of these salads are in full color. No black and white pictures, so you can see the full-on version of what you're gonna be making. So you can get yourself a copy on Amazon.com. Who doesn't love Amazon? So go to Amazon.com. So I'm gonna put a splash of coconut water and a little splash of coconut milk. And a splash of pineapple juice. And we have our Greek yogurt, our coconut Greek yogurt at that. And we're gonna now make our smoothie. Again, I just happen to have this nice fancy machine, but if you have a Ninja, it will work. If you have a NutriBlend, it will work. A Vitamix, it will work. A Blendtec, it will work. A regular blender, that will work too. Here's our smoothie bowl. Okay, so this one has a little bit less, a little bit. Listen, we don't like anybody getting jealous. We're just gonna decorate this very simply. We're just gonna do something very uniform. And so let's put our coconut flakes in here. And we're gonna put some pineapple chunks. And last but not least, there we go. So this one has our trilogy. The only thing that's different between this one and this one is that I have trilogy on this one, which is the hemp hearts, the chia seeds, and the flax seeds, and this one doesn't have any. That's the only difference. And so let me look at that. Let me just admire it for a minute. I have to tell you, I can't wait to eat this smoothie because I love pineapples and I love coconut. You know, some people don't really like coconut, some people don't like pineapple, but man, especially if you love pina colada, just look at this. That's a healthier version without the alcohol, you know? And you get a little dose of chocolate too. So it can't go bad with that. And you get some healthy trilogy as well. So, let me get ready to taste this. Well, here we have our Pina Colada smoothie. I honestly can't wait to try this because I love pineapple and coconut. And I know this stuff is so good for you with the flax seeds and the hemp hearts and the chia seeds. And of course, dark chocolate is great for you. So almonds and macadamia nuts and coconut itself. So this is totally healthy. And so let's try it. Let's dig in and try it. Oops. if you are a pina colada lover, this is for you. I'm telling you, I feel like I'm having me some pina colada without the alcohol. That is so good and refreshing. Oh my gosh. And it's not overly sweet at all. I think that's what I like about it too. So fresh. And the contrast to the texture now of the crunchy. Oh, so good. So good. So, oh wow. I really could just like hang out and eat this. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Again, it's not overly sweet. So if you're a person that likes a lot of sugar, you may have to add a little sweetness to it, but it's perfect for me. Here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying what we're putting out for you. Not only that, it encourages us to keep going forward. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And subscribe. If you have not subscribed already, subscribe. And share this channel with your family and friends, because sharing is most certainly caring. And I thank you for hanging out with me today. Well, you ate with me virtually, while I ate physically. But you too can make the smoothie bowl yourself. And you can let me know, what did you add to yours? Because we do answer the comments. Let me know what you added to yours, or what you didn't put, you know, what you maybe liked or didn't like. So we could chat about it. Thank you for hanging out with me again today. I really do appreciate your time. And I love you guys for hanging out. And I'll see you back again soon. So hit that bell notification, you know, the next time we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.